Welcome to Spotlight. We want you to get the best out of your trial. In a few simple steps, you can be creating highly visual, meaningful reports, forecasts, and dashboards for your business or clients. Simply connect an organization to pull in the data from a range of sources or import from Excel, then fully customize with a series of powerful features, or just jump straight into generating the report. If looking to the future is your thing, Spotlight Forecasting will take you the distance with an all-in-one budget creator, three-way forecasting, and scenario builder. For simple KPIs, prepare a dashboard to get an instant snapshot of business performance so you can focus on what really matters. Be sure to check out our free resources like training videos and our help center. You can also download sample reports or visit our resource page to get a better idea of what you can do with Spotlight. We hope you enjoy your trial. If you need any help, just get in touch. Our team of experts is here to help you create great outputs with Spotlight.